Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you, and if I've already met you then, hey. So today I'm doing this dark style sort of fade going on. Yeah, I don't normally do this kind of dark lip, so I thought I would change it up. Okay, so everyone, first I'm going to start, I don't know why I'm doing this. First I'm going to start off doing my face, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Matte in Golden Beige. If I have enough of it. I'm going to take the foundation and the Ofra Space Baby Nikki Tutorials collaboration highlighter. I just scraped a wee bit up of that, and then I'm going to put some on. And then mix those two in together. Put it all around my face. I look weird. Next I'm going in for cream contour, and I'm doing the darkest here. And then the second darkest all around my face. The lightest shade in the palette. And then I like to do a little tick of blusher, which is the pink one. So this whole crazy look right now is all from the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. But it's fine because we're going to blend everything out and look good. So I like to start off with the nose one because that's where I want less of the colour. And then start blending all of that out. Okay, then taking my RCMA No Colour Powder, and I'm going to bake under my eyes. The only problem with baking is nothing. No, the only problem with baking is I'm wearing a plain black top. This might go everywhere. I look like a nut job. Yeah, that's gonna sat there for a wee minute while we start off the eyes. And then I realize she's right there. I don't know what I'm looking at all. Eyebrow stuff. Brow this way, and I'm just going to start lining out my brows and filling them in. Okay, so I'm taking Savior all over the lid. Then I'm going in with Prophecy. So I'm just putting that in the inner corner and following the lid round. A clean blending brush and just blending that into the lighter brown. Then I'm taking Hush. I'm just going to put that all in the middle. Now taking a wee bit of the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner, which is in black. And I'm just going to line out my lids, and just before that dries I'm going to take the Oath, smudge that out. I'm going to put some in of the eyeliner in the waterline too, then take Oath again just smudge that out. Now I'm taking a little tiny brush and going back in with Savior and blending out that bottom lash. Now I'm going to wipe off this powder and stick a pair of lashes on. These are the PLouise lashes, my absolute favourite. They just go on and then that's you, the whole net. Now on to the rest of the face. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips first. And I am going dark. So I'm using the Pro Lipstick Nor Darkness lipstick and going in with this. You can always go in with a wee bit of eyeliner at the edges if you want it a little bit darker. Sweet love, sweet cherry. Now for contour, it's the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm just tapping that into place. Forgot to move my mirror, and I'm like, instead of sitting like a normal person. And then taking the Lustrous palette and just giving me a little bit of life back into my cheeks. And all of this I'm just patting into place. And for a bit of highlighter, I'm going in with the Maybelline highlighter. And then a bit of OTT just here. I like to put a little bit on the neck too. Just, it's nice whenever you start moving. Okay, and just to finish off the lips, I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star lipstick in No Tea, No Shade. Okay, so everyone, that is me done with this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, then please subscribe to my channel so you can see this face more often, and hopefully that'll be a good thing. But I shall see you in the next video. Bye! I'm so weird.